The EZ-Turn fitting was also engineered for on-the-job repairs. Over time, the aggressive refrigerants and P.O.E. oils will deteriorate the rubber gasket and the O-rings, and they will need to be replaced. All internal parts are replaceable and come in this rebuild kit, sold separately. The rebuild kit includes a gasket, 2 O-rings, a square seat, a spring, and an anti-blowback depressor. Using snap ring pliers, remove the snap ring and slide off the outer cover. To prevent scoring the brass, cover the pliers with tape and unscrew the housing. Push out the depressor and using a paper clip, remove the old O-rings and square seat. Insert the new O-rings, square seat, and depressor. Replace the spring and close the housing. Slide the cover back on and secure with a snap ring.
Uniweld. Quality tools that go to work with you.